Hey guys, for today's video, I'll be teaching you how to change your money's currency on Revolut. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to use a different currency. So basically, if you have a Revolut account and for example, you have British pounds and you want to convert it to dollars so you can buy something that is sold in dollars, you don't actually have to convert anything. If you buy the item in dollars using your British pound Revolut, it won't matter because it will automatically change the currency. So basically, it doesn't really matter, but if you really want to change it, all you have to do is just make a new account and then set the currency to that certain currency that you want to. So for example, I make a new account and I want dollars, so I'm gonna pick United States, and that's pretty much it. It's simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below.